Hello student, myself Digant Sakhiwala, I am your science sir. Today we will continue chapter number 6, life processes. Dear student, we are going to learn how the transportation of different organic molecule or nutrients take place in the human body. Okay, so generally take place by the blood. All the nutrients are going from one part or to another part, that is by the blood. Even that oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange, that is because of also blood. This blood is going in the different part of the body because of what? Heart is continuously pumping the blood, as well as artery and veins also play major role. Okay, so one by one we will learn all. Transportation in human, the circulatory in the human being consists of, here we can divide the circulatory system in the human body. First is heart. It function is to pumping the blood to the different part. Arteries and vein, they are the blood vessels are there. And third we have, that is blood, that is a circulatory medium. So blood is also two type, one is oxygenated blood and other is deoxygenated blood. Okay, blood is a fluid connective tissue that circulated in the closed system of blood vessels. Blood consists of fluid plasma, red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. So in that blood generally we have fluid plasma are present, red blood cell, that is called RBC, white blood cells are there, that is called WBC, as well as platelets are present. Okay, dear student, blood is what? Liquid connective tissue, or it is called fluid connective tissue. Okay, blood in that it divided into two parts. One is called solid component, that is called blood corpuscle, and this is called the liquid component, that is called plasma. So we will see first classification, then we are going on the second classification. Solid component, in that they are divided into the RBC, that is called the red blood cell, and then other is platelets, and WBC, that is called white blood cell. RBC, it carry the oxygen and carbon dioxide. So main function is to red blood cell, they are red in color, so they are called the red blood cell. It carry the oxygen to the different organ, as well as it bring the carbon dioxide from the different part of the body. Contain hemoglobin. Okay, it contain hemoglobin in that iron is present. Imparted red color to the blood, because of that reason hemoglobin, the blood has the red color. Now in that we have platelets are there, help in the blood clotting. Sometime whenever we have injury, small injury are there, so blood clotting is take place because of the platelets. Okay, in the some person are there, they have some problems are there, like hemophilia. In that what happens, if the bleeding is started, then it is difficult to stop. WBC, provide body defense by the engulfing the germs and producing the antibodies. So main function WBC is what? White blood cell. It provides the defense system and destroy the germs, bacteria, as well as it produces antibodies to fight against different type of diseases. Okay, this side liquid component in that plasma, it is a yellow color fluid, contain 90 to 92% water and 6 to 8% organic substance. Okay, dear student, you know about organic substance. The substance which are made up of carbon and hydrogen, they are called organic substance. That is the latest definition. Okay, and organic compounds are also called the hydrocarbon compounds, like protein in that albumin, globulin, inorganic minerals, etc. Inorganic we can say that which are available from the minerals. Okay, they are called the inorganic minerals, etc. Function of blood. Okay, for blood play a major role in the body. Transport of respiratory gases. So in the respiration, two gases are important. One is oxygen to get the energy, and by the respiration process carbon dioxide is produced, so it will go outside of the body. Okay, and both the procedure or both the reaction in that blood play the major role. Oxygen is carried by the hemoglobin, that is called oxyhemoglobin, to the cell. Carbon dioxide dissolved in the plasma and is carried out to the lungs. So whatever oxygen are enter into the body by the alveoli in the lungs, it goes to the different blood capillaries, by that way it goes to the different organs. Same way by the respiration process, whatever carbon dioxide is produced, that is dissolved in the plasma and it is going towards the lungs. So by in the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, blood play major role. Transport of nutrients. Digested food is absorbed into the blood and small intestine. So whatever food we eat and we get the nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fat. Okay, so to carry it to from one part to another part, okay, the blood play a major role. So it is very useful in the transport of nutrients. Dear student, we are going to learn about the different function of blood. Transport of waste material, urea, uric acid, etc. are carried to the kidney by the blood. So whatever waste products are there, like urea, uric acid, they are going to kidney, and after that filtration occur, and that filtration in that byproducts are going by the urine. Okay, so that filtration done in the kidney. So till the kidney or to the kidney, blood is taking all the waste products. Defense against the infection, so where any bacteria, viruses enter into the body, so that is destroyed by the white blood cell, WBC, as well as some antibodies. Sometime to cure some disease there is a need of producing antibodies, so that is also produced by the WBC. WBC digests and engulfs the bacteria and also produce antibodies against the specific bacteria and viruses. Excretion in the plant, so any organism are there, whether it is the plant or the animal, okay, so in that waste products are thrown out of the body or cell, that is called the excretion. It is a process of removal of harmful metabolic waste from the body of an organism. In that, osmo regulation play major role. What is osmo regulation? It is the process of controlling the amount of water and ions in the body of an organism. So it is the process to control the water as well as to control the ions, minerals in the organism. Plant use different strategies for the excretion of different products. So plant have different way for the excretion. Okay, oxygen and carbon dioxide are diffused through the stomata. So oxygen and carbon dioxide is diffused by the stomata. Okay, stomata is surrounded by the guard cells. Excess water is removed by the transpiration. Okay, so transpiration is the process by which what happen, aerial part of the leaf is leave the excess water, that is called the transpiration. Okay, plant can even lose some of their old plants like old leaves and bark of the trees. Okay, so plant also remove some leaf as well as the outer part, okay, outer part of the trees. Okay, other waste products are stored as a resins and gums, especially in the old xylem cell. Okay, so waste products are also stored in the form of resins and the gums, especially in the old xylem cells. Plant also secrete some waste products into the soil around them. So by secreting some compound waste product, okay, it continue the excretion process. So this is all about the today's portion. Thank you so much.